8 free printable graduation thank you cards. This simple card features printed gold stars and a graduation hat that's ideal for any age grad. Customize this look with 7 different layouts, personalized interior text, and take advantage of the option to add stickers or photos. The black background of this graduation thank you card makes the gold letters and white and gold dots pop. As with any of Canvas cards, customize the text of the version with the class year and name of the graduate. Download the card as a PDF file that can be printed and saved. Add a photo of the graduate to this free thank you card. Imprint the class year and graduate's name next to the photo. The customized text is available in 4 colors. Print out the card or send it as a digital thank you. Add a photo to this free printed card next to the block of saturated color reserved for the text. Change the color to school colors if preferred. This card makes a perfectly sized thank you postcard. You'll find 4 printable graduation thank you cards here, each with a different style and design. The cards can't be customized before printing, but you can add a handwritten message on the back of the card before sending it. This floral thank you card is appropriate for any occasion, especially for graduation time in the springtime. Download the card with a single click, then cut and fold along the lines. Anyone can tackle this unusual and practical DIY thank you card project. Add a photo to one of these 3 thank you designs and then write your note on the provided lines before sending out. This free graduation thank you card has a formal flair thanks to its bow tie. All elements of this card can be edited including the year, message, name, and date. A custom message can be added to the inside of the card before or after printing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.